Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration.
In this video, we're going to be welding those panels in that we made in the two previous videos.
And the link for them is down in the description below. Also make sure you smash that like and subscribe button because it helps push our content out there to new viewers and it satisfies that all-important YouTube algorithm. Also, the next comment comes from Bazawaza and it says, "Looks to be a great setup you have there, chaps. Here's to your continued success and looking forward to more videos from you."
So, that's it. Let's grab some tools.
And let's crack on. Make sure you get us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at MK2 Restoration. Looks like I'm casting a spell like this. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.
Catch in our next video where we're going to continue with that interior and get onto these seat mounting points.
Also, make sure you get us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at MK2 Restoration. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon as well so it notifies you whenever we drop an upload. Leave a comment down below, click here to subscribe, click here for the LJ80 playlist.
And click here for more of our content.
And with that being said, we will catch you in the next one.